Good everyone and welcome to my channel. We are still on factorization. Now we have this question. It says, find the values of a and b if the expression x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 4 is exactly divisible by x squared minus 4. Now f of x is x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 4. And it says it's exactly divisible by x squared minus 4. That is, the answer is x squared minus 4. And of course, this can be written as x squared minus 2 squared. Is it not? Yeah. And of course, what are you seeing here? We are seeing difference of 2 squared. I think we've done it. Difference of 2 squared. So this can be simplified as x minus 2 into x plus 2. And now, notice that x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. And from here, x is equal to 2, or x is equal to minus what? 2. So, you have to substitute these values to f of x. Now, f of the first one is f of 2 will give us 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 plus a into 2 to the power squared plus b into 2 then minus 4. And this is equal to, this is 8 plus, this is 4a, 2 times 2 is 4, 4a, this is plus 2b, b times 2, and then minus 4. And if you notice, 8 minus 4, we have, this is equal to 4 plus 4a plus 2b. And of course, since they say this is a factor, that is, it's exactly divisible by, that this expression is exactly divisible by this. That means that this is a factor. What it means is that if this divide this, if you get what? We will get what? 0. So this will be equal to what? 0. And of course, you can simplify this further by dividing through 2. So if 2 divides 4, we have 2 plus 2a then plus b is equal to 0. Now you take these two to the other side. We have 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. And this is equation 1. Right? This is what we got when we substituted 2. Now let's substitute minus 2. F of minus 2 now is equal to minus 2 to the power 3 plus a into minus 2 to the power 2, then plus b into minus 2, and then minus 4. It's clear, right? Yeah. So this is equal to minus 8, and this is plus 4a, because minus 2 times minus 2 is plus. So plus 4 times 2 is 4a. Then minus times 2, minus 2b, and then minus what? 4. And then we have that 4a minus 2b minus 12, that is minus 8 plus minus 12, is equal to 0. Then you notice we can divide through 2 so that you will simplify it. So here we have 2a minus b minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we take this one to the other side. We have 2a minus b is equal to what? 6. And this is equation what? 2. Now we combine the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 we have 2a plus b is equal to minus what? 2. And from equation 2 we have 2a minus b is equal to what? 6. Now we add the two equations. We add both of them, and when we add, we have this one plus this one. We have 4a, then plus b minus b. Plus b plus minus b is like plus b minus b. So that one is gone. This is equal to minus 2 plus 6 is 4. So we notice that from here that a is equal to 4 over 4. That is a is equal to what? 1. Then we've gotten a. Now to get b, now we substitute this value. Okay, let me write it. Substitute a equal to 1 and equation 1 and equation r. When we do that, equation r says 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. And now a is 1, that is 2 into 1 plus b is equal to minus what? 2. Now this is 2 plus b is equal to minus what? 2. And this will give us that, we take this one to the other side. We have that b is equal to minus 2 minus 2. That means b is equal to minus what? 4. So we've gotten the values of a and b. Therefore, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to what? Minus 4. So fini. Say what? Fini.